What's up everyone, Shaharyar here, and welcome back to the channel. The world is more connected than ever. Phones, computers, smart homes, everything's online, and that means security matters more than ever. Ethical hacking is about understanding how systems break so we can defend them. But where do you start? You need hands-on practice, not just theory. Today, I'll show you 16 underrated platforms where you can legally build real hacking skills, from beginner to pro. Grab a coffee, open a notepad, and let's dive in. First up, Hack the Box. This platform drops you into real-world scenarios. No hand-holding, just vulnerable machines to hack. You'll exploit weaknesses, escalate privileges, and learn by doing, just like a real pen tester. The community is huge, with write-ups and walkthroughs for when you get stuck. Machines range from beginner to insane, so there's always a new challenge. The free tier is robust, perfect for getting started. If you want to test your skills in a realistic environment, Hack the Box is a must. If Hack the Box is the deep end, try Hack Me as your swimming lesson. It's structured, beginner-friendly, and walks you through cybersecurity topics step by step. Each room is a hands-on module with reading, tasks, and a virtual machine. No setup required. The gamified approach keeps you motivated with points and leaderboards. Try Hack Me covers everything from Linux basics to advanced exploitation. Use it to build your foundation, then test your skills on Hack the Box. Both together make a powerful learning combo. Before you tackle advanced exploits, you need the basics: command line, programming, and how servers work. Over the Wire is the classic site for this. Its war games, like Bandit, teach you Linux commands and problem-solving through SSH-based puzzles. Each level builds on the last, forcing you to research and think critically. No points, no leaderboards, just you and the challenge. After Bandit, try Natus for web security and Leviathan for privilege escalation. Mastering these gives you a rock-solid foundation. Start here if you're new to hacking. RootMe brings global competition and variety. With 400-plus challenges across web, forensics, crypto, and more, there's something for everyone. Challenges are ranked by difficulty, so you can progress at your own pace. The global leaderboard adds a competitive edge. Each challenge has a discussion area and write-ups after you solve it. Great for learning new techniques. Try their CTF, all the day rooms for full machine scenarios. RootMe is perfect for broadening your skills and joining a worldwide community. Want to practice in a real corporate network? Check out Cybersec Labs. Their labs simulate enterprise environments, multiple machines, domains, and realistic attack paths. You'll learn skills like lateral movement and post-exploitation, not just single exploits. Labs range from beginner to advanced, with some designed for OSCP prep. Guided walkthroughs help you learn complex attack chains step by step. It's a fantastic bridge from learning to real-world, job-ready skills. If you want to go pro, Cybersec Labs is a top pick. VulnHub is your offline hacking library. Download vulnerable virtual machines, run them locally, and hack at your own pace. You control the environment, take snapshots, reset, and experiment freely. The variety is huge, from CTF-style boxes to real-world simulations. Many are great for OSCP practice, and walkthroughs are easy to find. VulnHub also teaches you to set up your own lab, a key skill. It's free, flexible, and essential for hands-on learning. Ready to compete? CTF Time is your global CTF calendar and scoreboard. It lists upcoming Capture the Flag events worldwide, with details and links to join. Track your team's ranking and see how you stack up globally. After each event, teams post write-ups, an incredible resource for learning new techniques. Even if you're not competing, the archive of solutions is a goldmine. CTF Time is the heart of the competitive hacking scene. Dive in to test your skills and learn from the best. Hack This Site is a classic, community-driven platform. Missions teach you real hacking skills, from basic password cracking to advanced code analysis. The forums are active. Ask for hints, not answers, and learn collaboratively. It's about more than just technical skills. You'll pick up hacker ethics and communication, too. The site also features articles and resources contributed by users. It's grassroots and free, and has a unique old-school charm. Perfect for learning in a supportive, community-first environment. Pentester Lab is for those serious about a pen testing career. It offers guided, professional-grade exercises. Run a VM locally, follow a detailed PDF, and learn step by step. The focus is on web application security, From basics to advanced topics like JWT and Active Directory attacks, exercises are color-coded by difficulty, so you can progress logically. Many labs are free, so you can try before subscribing. The teaching style is clear, structured, and job-focused. If you want deep, practical skills, Pentester Lab is a top investment. Pico CTF is the perfect CTF for beginners. Created by Carnegie Mellon, it's designed for students but great for anyone new to cybersecurity. Challenges are fun, story-driven, and start easy, covering web, crypto, forensics, and more. Everything runs in your browser, so setup is minimal. The platform stays online year-round with tons of past challenges to practice. If you want a gentle, gamified intro to hacking, start with Pico CTF. Hack in the Box, or HIT-B, is a global security community hub. It's known for top-tier conferences, but the website is packed with resources, news, research, and online challenges. Stay current with their news section and learn from CTFs tied to their events. The real treasure is their YouTube channel. Hundreds of free talks from world-class experts. Once you've got the basics, HIT-B helps you see the bigger picture and stay ahead of industry trends. It's where students become practitioners, essential for anyone serious about cybersecurity. TRI, focused on web security. Portswigger's Web Security Academy is the gold standard. Created by the makers of Burp Suite, it's a free, comprehensive training center. Learn about every major web vulnerability, then practice with interactive labs in your browser. Labs range from beginner to advanced, and there's even a certification. The mix of theory and hands-on practice is unmatched. If you want to master web app hacking, start here. It's the industry's go-to resource. W3Chals is perfect for quick, diverse practice. It offers challenges in web, forensics, crypto, programming, and more. There are even war games you can SSH into, plus programming puzzles. The active forum and IRC channel make it easy to get help and collaborate. User rankings and a Hall of Fame add a fun, competitive edge. It's straightforward, community-driven, and great for sharpening specific skills. Bookmark it for when you want to tackle a few quick puzzles. Love puzzles? Rings or Zero Team Online CTF is for you. With 200-plus creative challenges, it's less about standard exploits and more about logic and analysis. Categories include crypto, stego, malware, and more. The community is active, especially on Discord, for hints and discussion. Solve a challenge, unlock the official write-up, and compare your approach. It's a great way to build problem-solving skills and think outside the box. Perfect for anyone who enjoys the mental challenge of hacking. Enigma Group is another classic, old-school challenge site. Progress through a wide range of challenges: crypto, programming, web, and reverse engineering. The difficulty ramps up smoothly, making it great for steady learning. Forums and user-submitted tutorials foster a strong community vibe. It's not flashy, but the challenges are solid and the support is real. Enigma Group proves fundamentals and community never go out of style. Add it to your list for a time-tested learning experience. Google's XSS game is a focused, hands-on way to master cross-site scripting. Each level presents a web app with a hidden XSS flaw. Find it, exploit it, and move on. The difficulty ramps up, teaching you to bypass filters and defenses. You'll cover reflected, stored, and DOM-based XSS in depth. It's a short but powerful deep dive into one of the most common web vulnerabilities. Perfect for sharpening your XSS skills in just a few hours. Every web security tester should complete this game. That's 16 top platforms to launch your ethical hacking journey. The best way to learn is by doing pick a site, sign up, and start practicing. Always hack ethically and legally only on platforms or systems you have permission to test. The goal is to build and defend, not break and destroy. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, every expert started as a beginner. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more. Drop a comment with your favorite platform or any hidden gems I missed. Thanks for watching.